I'm going to try the CyberPrism MCP server to see what information it gives me. Use so only question: which threat actors from China and or North Korea are exploiting vulnerabilities in Windows or SharePoint? Use only the data from the MCP server. It's a little tricky to use MCP servers. I'm learning that building them is easy with API endpoints that you can easily expose through MCP servers, but sometimes the LLMs add their own spin. A small language model is terrible in consuming an MCP server API information. It kind of just forces injecting its own data. But this paid Claude version has been better in my testing. So let's see what information it throws, and if we have that information in our CyberPrism dashboard. Okay, so it's starting to show something. Cyber China, Windows, APT41, we definitely have this Brass Typhoon. So it's got the same thing. So I think this is the same threat actor. China, SharePoint, Linen Typhoon, CV Typhoon. I'll have to check. North Korea, Ruby Sleet. Okay, so let's do this. Let's look at APT41. I think we have APT41 using Windows. And then I don't know, it's the same vulnerability. So I'm going to guess this is the same thing. Let's look at Linen Typhoon. Where is Linen Typhoon? Oh, Brass Typhoon, there it is, Windows. Okay, this makes more sense. Okay, so maybe this is something that I need to look into my database. Both of them are APT41. Linen Typhoon, where is Linen Typhoon, SharePoint, China, for North Korea? Let's see, Ruby Sleet. I know Ruby Sleet, I've seen that before in some of my analysis. Ruby Sleet, North Korea, Windows. Love it.